Greetings, class. My name is Jill Parsons, and I will be your course professor for Nursing 616. I wanted to take just a few minutes of your time to provide you with an overview of the Brightspace course shell. With your first tab, which is titled Orientation and Important Resources, I would encourage you to click on this tab. Within this tab, you will find the course syllabus as well as the course calendar. I do recommend that you print both of those documents. The next tab is titled National Council State Board of Nursing, and there is important information within this tab relative to the NCLEX, the clinical judgment model, and much more. And so this tab serves as a resource to you for important information. The third tab is titled Module, and let's click on that tab. When we click on that tab, you will see over on the left-hand side that there are indeed 7 modules within this course. And this is an 8-week course. So Module 1 through Module 6, each of those is 1 week. Now Module 7 does run over 2 weeks. But for each module, you will find within the Brightspace course shell, you will find readings, you will find objectives, and you will find various resources, including journal articles, as well as web links. So take some time to review those resources relative to the module each week. When we move back home, the final tab is a tab titled Assignment Guidelines and Rubrics. So let's click on that. Now, if you've had an opportunity to take a look at the syllabus, you will see that you would have had an opportunity to look at the evaluation methods or the assignments across this course. In addition to discussion, there are 4 primary other assignments within this course. Now, each of those assignments is detailed on this page. You will see for each of those assignments, there are guidelines as well as a rubric, including an overview video, specifically giving you more information relative to the assignment. So one of our first assignments this term is for you to uh, write 5 original NCLEX style questions. And there are guidelines and rubric relative to that assignment as well as a video. The second assignment within this course per the syllabus is for you to create a rubric. And so again, here you will see there are guidelines and a rubric for the assignment as well as a video. You will have the opportunity to serve as the instructor for a module this term. Now, sign-ups for the week in which you will serve as instructor will occur week 1 in the discussion thread, and you will work alongside a peer to facilitate the discussion for that module. There are guidelines and a rubric for this assignment here, as well as an overview video. And then the final assignment within this course is the educational program and presentation assignment. And as like the other assignments, there are guidelines and a rubric, as well as an overview video. For this assignment, I would encourage you to reference the lesson plan template, and I have included Bastable Chapter 10, which will be a good resource for you as you complete that final assignment. So please do take some time to listen to those videos, to review those rubrics, and to review those guidelines, and to let me know if you have questions. With regards to discussion, to access a discussion, you can click on Communication, followed by Discussion. And here you will find the discussion threads relative to each module. And as I mentioned, there will be 1 week where you will serve as the instructor to facilitate discussion and to create course content. You will sign up week 1, and here is the link for the sign up. You will work alongside a peer. The course topics are available to you on the course calendar. And again, there is much more detail relative to this assignment when you listen to the video specific to the assignment. When we move back to the course homepage, if you click on Assessments followed by Assignments, this is where you will go to submit your assignments. The due dates are also clearly listed here as well and should coincide with the information that you see on the course calendar. If you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to reach out to me, and I look forward to working with you this term. Thank you so much.